Alright guys, and welcome to One Life. Today's video is going to be installing arch liners, or these, I don't know what you call them, the wide bits that come out here, because I had the car in Ireland and the muck that's thrown off the wheels, because I don't know if you can see there too well, but the wheels are just proud of the wheel arch, so it throws a lot of crap up all over the wings, so we'll get them renewed. The next upgrade is going to be these wheel arches. The thing is with them, there is no instructions, so I've searched all through the box. So this is a car without them, so next time you see it, it'll have them. So upgrades I've got through so far are headlight bulbs, these plastic headlight protectors, and the front grille. Oh, not forgetting the 35mm spacers. Well, our next step is going to be getting it cleaned. Then we'll fit them arches, so the next time you see it, it's going to have wheel arches put on it. I've also debadged. It had limited chrome stickers there, which I've took off. Two French bulldogs that are up to no good as usual. So let's get it down the road, get it cleaned, and then we'll get these arch bits put on. It says on the website where I bought them that there is no drilling needed. So I've got a prying tool and some spare, I don't know if you can see, I've got some spare ones of these just in case they broke. So yeah, let's get it down, get it cleaned, and then put them on. So let's see how it goes. Bit nervous about this one because of the no instructions. Right guys, this is a real wheel arch, and we need to loosen this mud flap off by removing these 3 grommets. So I'll quickly do that, and then we'll move on to the other side. This is why I bought some spare ones, because, oh there you go, I don't know where that went. Now these ones are actually screws, so I was hoping to be able to get this off without taking the wheels off. Oh yeah, that's coming away lovely. I don't really want to have to take the wheels off, so we'll persevere. So what we need to do now is clean the whole side of the truck off. There's only 3 holes, so I'm getting the 3M tape holds it mainly. So God, these are mine now. God, I've only just cleaned this truck and it's absolutely filthy already. What I might do is put this on And then, so what I found is that these screws are too small for the arches, so I'm putting these little bungs in and then putting screws through, and the holes don't kind of line up right. Beautiful. So that's on, and that is solid. The back one on. Now we've got the jolly job of doing the front one. Right, on this one we've got 4 to take out for this short bit, which goes, I'm trying to get it in a good position so as you can see. So there's 4 screws around here that I've got to take out. So let's get them out and put the fresh bit on, trim on. Let's get that in there, and then get it lined up, pushed on into place. We've left the 3 and tape off. Let's get one of these screws in just to hold it. It does help if you got the spanner the right way around. Yeah, no, I'm going to use some bigger screws because none of these are a particularly good fit. This will be better. I'll tell you what, if you had £1 for every time I've lost this spanner while I've been doing this job, I'd be a richer man. So we're going for this bottom one now, which is quite awkward. Get the hole in the right place, we're good to go. So that's the front bit on. Now that bit fits on there. So again, there is actually no holes in this one, so it's purely the 3M that holds it in place. On, offside, let's go from the back. So I think that will make a difference. I won't get as much mud on the side of the car. So let's move it over and do the other side. Right, let's quickly do the passenger side. This should be slightly quicker as I kind of know what I'm doing now. So let's crack on with this side, see how it goes. that weren't as easy as you make out. So would I recommend you do it yourself? Yeah, probably. But there you go, arches on, arches done. So I'm not sure what the next modification is going to be, but so far, so good. Right guys, that's a truck done. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell for notifications and subscribe for plenty more adventures to come. And we will see you on the next one.